I am 22 years old and I am recently single. I've used sex toys a little bit, a fair amount, we'll say that. Yeah, I would consider myself incredibly sexually adventurous. There's actually not a whole lot that I wouldn't do. So I already like the look of it. Like it already looks like it's gonna be soft and not like harsh. Oh, I love the bag. Like I love something that just gives me a place to put something. It doesn't look huge, so I think we should be good. Went in nice and easy, and it was just like once it was in, and it was nice. I connected it to my phone, which was super easy. Like literally just press the button and it connected automatically. I actually used it on my partner, and that was, first of all, really hot for me. He loved it. He was very, very into it. It was super comfortable, and as someone who doesn't play anally very often at all, it was absolute 10.